Kangaroos!
We are the Adventure Brothers, Cobra and Frog. We explore the world and you can come along.
Welcome back to the Adventure Brothers. I'm Cobra.
I'm Frog.
And today we're going to learn about kangaroos and play a game. Before we get to our game, we're going to tell you, what is a kangaroo? Kangaroos are cool animals that can jump really high and far. And they live in Australia and New Guinea. So they do not live in the United States, except for in zoos and sanctuaries. Kangaroos are the world's largest marsupials. What is a marsupial? Well, Frog, marsupials are mammals that give birth to young and continue to develop inside a pouch that's either in front or underneath the mom's body. Some examples are kangaroos, koalas, possums, Tasmanian devils, and wombats. Now that we know what the kangaroo is, now let's play a game. Do you want to play with us? Guess along as we play. We are playing True or False all about kangaroos. Let's get started. True or false? Red kangaroos are the largest kangaroo species. The kind you saw at the Kansas City Zoo were red kangaroos. Now you guess true or false. The answer is true. Red kangaroos are the largest living marsupial. The males weigh up to 180 pounds, and they stand up to 5 feet tall. Females are smaller and weigh up to 65 pounds. Well, that was exciting. Let's keep going on our game. True or false? The smallest kangaroo is more than 3 feet tall. Now guess, true or false? The answer is false! The muskrat kangaroo is 15.7 to 19.7 inches long, including its tail. That is itty bitty. It's just over 1 foot and only weighs 1.5 pounds. That's more than a rabbit. Next up, true or false? Young kangaroos are called bobbies. This is a tricky one. True or false? It's false! Young kangaroos are called jellies, not bobbies. Here's a fun fact. Baby kangaroos weigh less than 2 grams at birth. They're the size of a jelly bean. So small. Female kangaroos have a pouch, and the baby lives inside. It lives in the pouch about 10 months before it's on its own. This is absolutely crazy. Female kangaroos can stop the development of their babies in a process called embryonic diapause. This might happen when food is scarce or there's another baby in their pouch still. The baby can then continue to grow when the time is right. Time for another true or false. A group of kangaroos is called a mob. All right, think about it. Is it true or false? The answer is true. A mob can include 50 or more animals. That's a big mob. All right, true or false? Kangaroos can't walk backwards. That's interesting. Is it true or is it false? The answer is true. They can't walk backwards because of their long feet and large tail. Next question on true or false. Kangaroos are dangerous eating small animals. What do you think? Is it true or false? It's false. Kangaroos are herbivores, meaning they only eat plants. This next question is exciting. True or false? Kangaroos can jump, but they cannot move quickly. Is it true or false? It's false. They can actually move very quickly when they're hopping. They can move more than 30 miles per hour. Kangaroos are the only large animal to hop as their primary means of locomotion, which means movement. This is another fun fact. They can cover 30 feet in one jump. And they can jump 10 feet high. Time for another question. Are you having fun? We sure are. True or false? Kangaroos are known to box. Think about it. Is it true or false? True! While they're normally peaceful, kangaroos have been known to box one another though. When they box, they can even balance on their strong tails and use their hind legs to kick at each other. Usually the males do this to show their dominance. Alright, last question. True or false? Kangaroos are mostly left-handed. Alright, what do you think it is? True! That's right, that's true. According to a 2015 study, most kangaroos are left-handed. This study found that they have a paw preference and most prefer their left paw. The same study also found that some kangaroos are almost exclusively left-handed. What are you? I'm right-handed. I'm right-handed, but kangaroos are left-handed. Did you learn something during our trivia? Send it to a friend if you want them to learn too. Joke time! I've got one. Can a kangaroo jump higher than a redwood tree? It can go 10 feet tall, so probably not. Of course, a redwood tree can't jump. Ha ha. If you like to learn about animals, click this button. I mean subscribe to the show. Thanks so much for joining us. Talk to you next time. Yeah. Welcome back to the Adventure Brothers show. I'm Cobra. I'm Frog.
Let's do it again.